How to see liked post on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see the liked post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now over the years you might have happened to like so many types of different posts, and now you want to find a list of all those posts that you have liked. It's actually quite simple to find them, because all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here, and then tap the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon from bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then just go to this option here known as your activity and then tap on it. Once you go to the option known as your activity, you will see again this type of interface where you'll find the option called likes, and if you go to this likes section here, you will be able to see a list of all those likes that are available over here. And here you can see all the posts that you have liked in the past. This way you should be able to see liked posts on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.